Tales of the water alligator have been shared for centuries. The ocean depths, vast, unknowable, and home to creatures beyond our wildest imagination. Amongst the coral reefs and kelp forests, a predator lurks, silent, still, waiting. This is the realm of the water alligator, a creature as ancient as it is deadly. A pair of eyes, cold and calculating, watches your every move. This is their domain, and you have unwittingly entered a world of teeth and instinct. These are not mere fish tales. The water alligator possesses a raw power and primal aggression that sets it apart from other ocean predators. Their jaws, lined with rows of razor-sharp teeth, can crush bone and tear flesh with ease. They are masters of ambush, lying in wait for unsuspecting prey to wander too close. But it's not just their physical prowess that makes them so formidable. Water alligators are highly intelligent creatures, capable of learning and adapting to their environment. They are cunning hunters, using their surroundings to their advantage, and their senses are incredibly acute. Deeper into the depths to understand the true extent of the danger they pose. We'll uncover the truth behind the legends, separating fact from fiction, and reveal the astonishing statistics that highlight their place at the top of the food chain. Prepare yourself for a journey into the heart of the water alligator's world. We'll explore their hunting grounds, analyze their behavior, and witness firsthand the raw power that has earned them their fearsome reputation. This is not for the faint of heart, but for those who dare to explore the darker side of nature. Get ready to come face to face with the jaws of the deep. The relationship between humans and water alligators is a complex one. We are drawn to the water's edge, seeking its beauty and tranquility. Yet we must never forget that we share this environment with creatures far older than ourselves, creatures for whom survival is the only imperative. For the water alligator, humans are not their natural prey. They are opportunistic hunters, their diet consisting mainly of fish, birds, and smaller reptiles. However, a large predator with a hair-trigger instinct and a mouthful of razor-sharp teeth demands respect. Any encounter can turn deadly in an instant. While attacks on humans are relatively rare, they are nonetheless a stark reminder of the raw power these creatures possess. Mistaken identity, territorial disputes, or simply being in the wrong place at the wrong time can have fatal consequences. Each year, a handful of unfortunate souls fall victim to water alligator attacks. These incidents, though statistically rare, make headlines around the world, reminding us of the ever-present danger lurking beneath the surface. The stories are often harrowing, tales of sudden violence and unimaginable terror. Take, for instance, the case of a lone fisherman venturing out on a peaceful morning. The water was calm, the sun just beginning to rise. As he cast his line, he failed to notice the telltale ripples approaching his small boat. In a flash, the water erupted. The fisherman, caught completely off guard, disappeared beneath the surface, dragged down by an unseen force. In another tragic incident, a group of friends enjoying a swim in a secluded lagoon were stalked by a silent predator. One moment they were laughing and splashing, the next a scream pierced the air. The water churned red, a gruesome testament to the predator's efficiency. These stories, while terrifying, are thankfully the exception rather than the rule. Water alligators, for the most part, prefer to avoid confrontation with humans. Their attacks are often a case of mistaken identity or defensive reaction when they feel threatened. However, their ability to remain hidden, coupled with their explosive speed and power, makes them a constant threat in their natural habitat. They are masters of camouflage, blending seamlessly with their surroundings, their dark, mottled skin making them practically invisible in murky water. They can lie submerged for hours, their nostrils just above the surface, waiting patiently for unsuspecting prey to wander within striking distance. And when they strike, it is with a speed and ferocity that leaves witnesses stunned. As human populations expand and encroach further into water alligator territory, encounters are becoming more frequent. Climate change, pollution, and habitat destruction are all factors that are pushing these creatures closer to human settlements. This raises concerns about the potential for increased conflict between humans and these apex predators. Understanding their behavior, respecting their space, and learning how to coexist safely in their environment is paramount. In the next part of our journey, we'll delve deeper into the world of the water alligator, exploring their size, weight, and population numbers to better understand the true scope of their presence in our oceans. We'll uncover the secrets behind their success as a species and examine the crucial role they play in maintaining the delicate balance of the marine ecosystem. Estimating the water alligator population is a challenging task. These elusive creatures inhabit murky rivers, swamps, and coastal areas, making accurate counts difficult. Traditional methods, such as aerial surveys or nest counting, are often unreliable in their domain. Researchers are turning to new technologies like environmental DNA analysis to gain a clearer picture. By analyzing water samples for traces of alligator DNA, scientists can determine their presence and distribution even without direct observation. Preliminary findings suggest that water alligator populations are far more extensive than previously thought. Their ability to thrive in a variety of habitats, from freshwater rivers to brackish estuaries, has allowed them to establish strongholds in ecosystems around the globe. Water alligators are formidable creatures. Their size and weight a testament to their position as apex predators. On average, adult males can reach lengths of 10 to 15 feet, with some individuals exceeding 20 feet. Females are typically smaller, averaging 8 to 10 feet in length. Their weight is equally impressive. A large male water alligator can tip the scales at over 1,000 pounds, their massive bodies consisting of solid muscle and bone. Their sheer size and weight give them a distinct advantage in their watery domain, allowing them to overpower prey and dominate their surroundings. Their bulk is not a hindrance to their agility. Despite their size, they are surprisingly graceful in the water, their powerful tails propelling them through the water with surprising speed and agility. Every aspect of a water alligator's anatomy is finely tuned for a life of hunting and survival. Their powerful jaws, lined with rows of razor-sharp teeth, can deliver a bite force of over 2,000 pounds per square inch, one of the strongest bites in the animal kingdom. Their eyes, positioned high on their heads, allow them to remain submerged while still scanning for prey. Their nostrils, located at the very tip of their snouts, enable them to breathe while almost entirely hidden beneath the water's surface. Their dark, mottled skin provides excellent camouflage, allowing them to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. This natural camouflage, combined with their patient hunting style, makes them incredibly efficient ambush predators. The exact number of water alligators in the world remains unknown. However, research suggests that their populations are relatively stable, and in some areas even increasing. This is a testament to their adaptability and resilience as a species. However, this success comes with a caveat. As human populations continue to expand, encounters with water alligators are becoming more frequent. Understanding their behavior, respecting their space, and finding ways to coexist peacefully are crucial for both their survival and our own safety. The next part of our exploration will delve into the fascinating world of the water alligator's hunting strategies. We'll witness firsthand their incredible speed, agility, and raw power as they stalk and subdue their prey. Prepare to be amazed by the brutal efficiency of these apex predators. The water alligator doesn't have its watery domain all to itself. It shares its kingdom with a host of other formidable predators, each vying for survival in a delicate balance of power. From the sleek, torpedo-like bodies of sharks to the ancient, armored forms of saltwater crocodiles, the competition for food and territory is fierce. These underwater gladiators, honed by millions of years of evolution, possess their own unique set of weapons and strategies. Sharks, with their razor-sharp teeth and incredible speed, are the ocean's ultimate hunters. Saltwater crocodiles, the largest living reptiles, rule the murky depths with their bone-crushing jaws. And then there are the jellyfish, seemingly delicate creatures that pack a venomous punch. How does the water alligator stack up against these formidable foes? Does its size and power reign supreme, or do these other predators pose a genuine threat to its dominance? We're about to dive deep into the heart of the underwater coliseum to witness these titans clash. The clash between a water alligator and a shark is a battle for the ages. The shark, with its streamlined body and lightning-fast reflexes, holds the advantage in open water. Its senses detect the slightest movement, and its jaws can inflict devastating wounds. The water alligator is an ambush predator lying in wait, concealed by its camouflage. It strikes with explosive speed, its powerful jaws clamping down with bone-crushing force. It's a battle that could go either way, a testament to nature's most formidable predators. The encounter between a water alligator and a saltwater crocodile is a clash of ancient lineages, a battle between two of the planet's most formidable reptiles. Both creatures are apex predators, masters of camouflage and ambush. Saltwater crocodiles are larger, with some reaching over 20 feet, They possess the strongest bite force, capable of crushing bone and tearing flesh. Water alligators, while smaller, are no less dangerous. Their powerful jaws and sharp teeth are formidable weapons. They're incredibly agile in the water, capable of launching surprise attacks. In a face-off, the saltwater crocodile's size and bite power give it an advantage. However, the water alligator's agility could turn the tide. It's a battle of titans, a clash of reptilian powerhouses. The encounter between a water alligator and a jellyfish might seem like an unlikely pairing, but it highlights the diverse nature of threats in the underwater world. While the water alligator might be a formidable predator, even it can fall victim to the venomous defenses of certain jellyfish species. Jellyfish, with their translucent bodies and trailing tentacles, often appear harmless, but their beauty belies a hidden danger. Their tentacles are armed with stinging cells called nematocysts that contain venom capable of delivering excruciating pain and even paralysis. A water alligator, while protected by its thick hide, is not immune to the effects of jellyfish venom. A sting from a particularly venomous species, like the box jellyfish, could inflict significant pain, potentially debilitating the alligator and leaving it vulnerable to other predators. This encounter, though seemingly one-sided, serves as a reminder that even the most powerful predators are not invincible. The underwater world is a complex web of interactions, where even the smallest creatures can pose a threat to the giants of the deep. The water alligator's most fearsome weapon is undoubtedly its bite. Imagine a force so powerful it can crush a turtle's shell like an eggshell, or snap a bone as thick as your arm in two. That's the reality facing anything unfortunate enough to be caught in a water alligator's jaws. Scientists measure bite force in pounds per square inch, or PSI. For comparison, a human bite measures a measly 160 PSI. A lion, impressive on land, delivers around 650 PSI. The water alligator, hold on tight, because they've been recorded at over 2,000 PSI. This incredible power comes from a combination of massive jaw muscles and a unique skull structure. Unlike crocodiles, which have a more generalized bite, the water alligator's jaws are specialized for crushing. Their teeth are designed to grip and hold, not tear, allowing them to deliver that bone-splintering crunch. Don't let their size fool you. Water alligators are surprisingly fast. While they may lumber on land, in the water, they're sleek, silent hunters. Their powerful tails propel them through the water with unexpected speed, and their webbed feet help them maneuver with surprising agility. Short bursts of speed are their specialty. They lie submerged, almost invisible against the riverbed, waiting for their moment. When an unsuspecting fish, bird, or even a small mammal gets too close, the water alligator explodes from the depths. Their initial strike is incredibly fast, often covering several feet in a fraction of a second. That's usually all it takes. Their prey, caught completely off guard, has little chance of escape once those powerful jaws clamp down. Water alligators are masters of patience. They are ambush predators, relying on stealth and camouflage to get close to their prey. They can hold their breath for an astonishing amount of time, remaining submerged for up to an hour if necessary. Picture this. You're paddling your kayak down a quiet river. The sun is warm on your face, birds are singing in the trees. What you don't see is the danger lurking just below the surface. A water alligator, perfectly camouflaged against the muddy bottom, waits patiently. This is where their dark, mottled skin becomes their greatest weapon. It blends them seamlessly with their surroundings, making them practically invisible in murky water. They become one with the shadows, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. If the initial bite doesn't do the job, the water alligator has a gruesome backup plan, the death roll. This is a truly terrifying display of power and instinct designed to subdue and dismember even the largest prey. Once the water alligator has a firm grip, it begins to rotate rapidly in the water, using its entire body weight to twist and tear. Imagine a whirling vortex of teeth, muscle, and sheer primal fury. It's a force that can dislocate limbs, break bones, and leave even the most resilient prey helpless. The death roll is a spectacle of nature at its most raw and unforgiving. It's a chilling reminder of the power these ancient creatures possess, and a testament to their position as apex predators in their watery domain. The water alligator, with its prehistoric lineage and formidable presence, is more than just a fearsome predator. It's a vital part of the ecosystem, a keystone species that helps maintain balance in the delicate web of life. Their presence, while intimidating, is essential for healthy waterways. As apex predators, they help regulate prey populations, preventing overgrazing and ensuring the survival of other species. Their burrows provide shelter for a variety of animals, and their feeding habits contribute to nutrient cycling in their environment. However, their future is not guaranteed. Habitat loss, pollution, and human encroachment threaten their populations in many areas. Climate change, with its unpredictable weather patterns and rising sea levels, adds another layer of uncertainty to their long-term survival. The water alligator stands as a stark reminder of the raw power that nature holds, a force both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Their presence demands respect, a recognition that we share this planet with creatures far older and wilder than ourselves. Understanding their behavior is key to coexisting safely. Avoid swimming in areas known to be inhabited by water alligators, especially at dusk and dawn when they are most active. Keep a safe distance from any alligator you encounter and never, ever approach or attempt to feed them. The future of the water alligator, like that of so many other species, depends on our actions. By respecting their space, protecting their habitats, and advocating for their conservation, we can ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to thrive for generations to come. Remember, when we enter the water alligator's domain, we enter on their terms. Let's strive to do so with respect, caution, and a healthy dose of awe for the raw power of nature.